Hello friends, welcome to Quick Clear. Today we'll draw this machine component. So we'll start from the top part and we'll go down to create this part. So the first thing what we are going to do, just let us draw this outer circle with diameter of 70. Then what you are going to do, go to center diameter. First let us create a center line just like this. If ortho is not on, you have to go here and you have to make sure that ortho is on to create straight lines properly. So the other thing, just like this, create another line, then this one will use this point as a center of the circle. So to draw the outer circle, just to go this circle command center diameter, because 70 diameter is given there. So make sure this from here, just center midpoint, such types of thing, object snap modes are on. Then go to here, then you can also intersection. Where is it? Intersection. So then after that, let us go here and let us draw a circle with 70 mm diameter. 70. So this is 70 mm diameter, and then let us go for the second one. This is a middle circle with 48 mm diameter. You can go here, click again diameter, or you can also continue the previous command by entering from your keyboard by using enter from the keyboard. So the second one was 48, just like this 48, and this, if I enter from my keyboard, the previous command will continue just like enter. Then you have to go for the third diameter, the inner circle with a diameter of 28, just like this. So next, what you are going to do, you can also check the diameter by going here. Just this is 70, that's right. And the second one, just if you go here, it is 56. No, this one is not correct. That means we have to modify this one. Let us modify this part. Again, circle diameter, let us go back, and 48. It will be just like this. Then after finishing this one, let us go down. Let us draw these two circles. These two circles are just located 72 units from the center of this circle. So let us offset this line 72 units down. So go here, offset command, then offset distance. You have to give offset distance like 72, because the distance between the two lines will be 72. So this is 72 here. Then after that, what we are going to do, you have to check this dimension. It is 82. 82 means just to the left it will be 41, and this to the right 41. So again, just 41 to the left, to the right, and 41 to the left. So you can go here and the same thing. These are given in diameter 80 and radius. This is one is outer, so diameter 80 circle. Let us draw diameter 18, just like this. Then after finishing this one, what you are going to do, the outer circle with a radius of 80. So let us change this one radius, center radius, just like this, and draw with 80 like this. Then after that, what you are going to do, just select these two circles, and then go to copy command and hold it at the center and move it and keep it here. So so we draw these two circles. Next, what you are going to do, just you can trim these unwanted parts from here like this, and you can trim this region. Then next, you can go here, just make sure tangent is on. And then go here, just touch it here and go here, and at the same time enter, click somewhere else from one circle and click somewhere else to the other circle. So we created this part. Then next, what you are going to do, just you can go down here as is shown here. Now we are here at the center of this one. Let us drop down 30 units down and let us find the edge. So after that, so that means we have to offset this line 30 units down. So offset command again, then offset distance, it will be 30 units because this is 30 mm. Then hold it here and go down just like this. And at the same time, what you are going to do, just you can go here and you can choose extend and extend this line. Then after that, this is 84. So that means to the left, how much units? 42 units to the left, 42 units to the right. So offset, go to offset distance 42, then to the left 42 units, to the right 42 units, just like this. Then what you are going to do, just as is shown here, this is 42, you have to trim this part which we don't want. Next, what we are going to do, just this one is here, it is not shown here, it is not given. So let us take this one, use radius 8 and fillet this region with radius of 8. So go to fillet command here, fillet command. If you expand it, don't go chamfer, only go for the fillet command. Then you have to click here radius, fillet radius, you have to give 8. Then after that, click this part, then this part, then enter from your keyboard, and again click this part and this part. As is shown here, we created this part. Then next, what you are going to do, let us draw line, and you see here you have to draw a line like this. Just draw a line like this. Then after that, what you are going to do, just trim the part that is not required. So let us go trim. You have to trim this part here and here also. So now we created this portion. What we are going to do now, there is 28 this wedge here. So that means we have to offset the center line 14 units to the left, 14 units to the right. So go to offset distance, you have to choose 14 units, then go to the left, then put it to the right. Then after that, you have to trim this middle portion just like this. Then what you are going to do, this is radius of 8 is given, so go to fillet command, then fillet radius, give 8, then you have to click here, then here, then enter again here, here and here. It is filleted with 8 mm radius, and here also it is another fillet with radius of 10. So the same thing, go to fillet command and fillet radius, you have to change it into 10. So the same thing, just fillet command, you have to change the radius like this, 10 units, then click this one and go here and enter again, click here and go here. So it is filleted with 10 mm radius. So this and trim this region which is not required. So next, what you are going to do, just let us go here and let us draw these things by using array command. So as is shown here, the dimension of this smallest circle is just radius of diameter of 8 mm. So what we are going to do, just we have to draw the circle at the center of the intersection point of this, the middle circle and the center line. So go to circle diameter, then here you have to draw 8 mm diameter circle. Then what you are going to do, just choose that circle and go to array command, expand it, go to polar array, then choose the center, and then as it is shown here, it is created 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 arrays are created. So we only need 6 circles. If it was another like 8, 9, you have to change this number, just like 7 example. It will change it just like this 7, but now we need only 6, so you have to make it only 6, just like this. And after that, close it here. Now we finished creating the part, so you can trim what you don't want, just like this. So we finished our drawing just like this. Next, you can give dimensions, just like this one. This is 70 units, so you can define this measurement just like this. So please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.